Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about finishing the crankshaft. I've made the front crankshaft now and made the screws as well. This is these two attach it to the actual stand, and this then tightens it up to the engine mount assembly. So what have I done since you've been back? Right, okay, well, we've now got the oil tube in there. I've made this, which is called the maneton shaft. I think that could be a French term, but it's basically the front mounting for the gear that's going to drive the cam, because this stays static. The whole engine moves around this, but even though there's a gear here, it's obviously going to move the cam around. So 5-degree taper in here. Oil holes are now all drilled. This one's got to be plugged. This one's for the main bearing. This one's really just one for a guide when I drilled this one in here. And there's an internal hole as well, which takes the oil down here and through here. So there's a hole that goes into there as well and up. So it's a little bit about machining this. I didn't bother with these screws and nuts, but there's a couple of people who have done some great videos on those. Joe Pye, and I think it's the Tin Barn guy. I don't think he does any videos now, which is a shame. But so that's what the video is going to be about, just making the rest of this. And it's come out quite nicely. I'll try and show you a mock-up of the picture at the end of it, because things are starting to come together a little bit now, and see what you think. Okay, enjoy the video. Thanks very much. This is what they call the maneton shaft, which is the front crankshaft. Well, this is going to be the main bearing, and then there will be another shaft running off here, which will drive the cam gear for all the cams. So it looks a bit weird at the moment. I just want to show the setup. So I'm going to produce this with the 5-degree taper inside it. This is then going to get bolted to the rear main crankshaft, and this end will be then turned down. So I'll just show you a bit of the turning of this, and I'll bring you back when it's finished. So it's now bolted onto the taper. I'm going to centre drill here and then turn this down to the dimensions. A gear goes on here and that's what drives the cams. So centre in here, bring the tailstock in, and this should all then be in line with this. I've also measured the straightness of this against this on the mill. There's this rounded piece here. So when all this is done, then the oil holes have then got to be put in. One great big oil hole goes through to the centre of that there, and then one at the bottom comes up to the middle of that there. So these oil holes all kind of interlink down through here. This one feeds onto this bearing here. Very clever. So I'm just going to get everything set up, and I'll bring you back when there's a bit of turning to see. So here we have all the features. Changed just a little bit to make this for an English available bearing, but it wasn't far off. And these features, the gear goes on, the cam gear goes on there, and yeah, it's all worked very well. Now we're taking this web down to the same size as this one here.